So this is our Half Westminster lean-to mini greenhouse, and this is the 5-foot long version. So the Westminster models are very narrow. So they're designed for very small courtyard gardens, or perhaps a side return of a bigger house where the passageway is very narrow. Inside you've got 4 seed tray shelves. So we've got 2 on this side, and then the one at the bottom on that side is dropped flat. So you can do that if you want to put deeper things in there. The seed tray shelves are adjustable height-wise. There's a whole series of holes in the greenhouse to allow you to change the spacing of the shelves, as well as drop them flat or even take them out if you want to have maximum growing space in the summertime. The glazing is toughened safety glass, so you've got sliding doors. So the sliding doors are very good for access, but they will also allow you to ventilate the frame. So early in the year you can have them open just a little bit, and then in the summertime you can have them wide open. And in the summertime you can also slide the roof glass to give you some additional ventilation. The framework is architectural aluminium. It's designed to go against a wall or a sturdy fence. If it goes against a wall, the wall will warm up early in the year, so it allows you to grow things more quickly. The wall will absorb that heat in the daytime under the glass, because glass traps the heat, and then it'll give it off again in the evening time. So the Westminster's ideal for bringing on seedlings early in the springtime. It's also useful for bringing on herbs and culinary crops, so you can have it near the kitchen, and then you can just go out and pick fresh herbs for your cooking. So it's a very versatile little frame, takes very little space but gives you plenty of growing space and gives you protection in a small garden. So it's ideal for the courtyard garden or a small city garden.